Well, we have been fortunate in the fact that we're dry, but all in all, we kind of need the little bit of rain right now. Also, considering the fact we are under a red flag warning, meaning that it's very dry conditions out there, very windy, and there's a lot of fuel on the ground in terms of dry branches, dry grass. So any fires that start up do have that potential for just really flaring up. So make sure you're aware of that. Now, as we start to look ahead, there is a front that passed through, but all the system is really starting to flare up across the border from us in Minnesota, and we're really not expecting any precipitation along with this. In fact, we're just going to have mostly cloudy night, and even that cloud cover is going to be clearing out through the course of the evening as a high pressure system starts to settle in overhead. We did start off actually very nice this morning. Look at these temperatures right around that 50-degree mark, and that's all thanks to the stronger wind helping to stir up our atmosphere and keep those warmer temperatures near to the ground. And because that cold front took a little longer to move onto the eastern side of our state, places got into those mid to upper 70s versus places off to our west only in the mid 60s and even upper 50s. Look at Spearfish, 57 degrees is all they reached for a high today. Now, what we're going to be expecting is this cold front has progressed through. We're going to see a mostly clear, cloudy night, but that'll be clearing quickly into the morning hours thanks to that high pressure system. And then that high pressure system is going to be the dominant one over these next couple of days. It's not really until late Wednesday night into Thursday morning that we're watching for our next chance of precipitation to come in. Now, this high pressure system, though, is keeping our skies clear, especially on Tuesday. We're going to watch those winds ramp up out of the south between 15 to 25 miles an hour. But we're watching for gusts potentially up to 40, 45 miles an hour. So be aware of that. Once again, clear skies on Monday, clear skies on Tuesday. Temperatures back into those mid 60s and even low 70s on Tuesday, but all in all, these winds are going to be the primary factor as we start to look ahead over these next couple of days. So here they start coming out of the west, and now they're going to start to trend out of the south as that high pressure system moves on through, and these are really going to start to ramp up into the afternoon when we're going to watch them be around that 25, 30 miles an hour once again. A couple of gusts being around close to that 40 mile per hour range. But for tonight, 37 degrees. Yeah, the winds aren't great, but they're not too bad. 10 to 20 miles an hour out of the west, and these skies will be clearing. In fact, by tomorrow, we're expecting very few clouds overall in our skies. 64 degrees for the high, and the winds around 20 miles an hour into the course of the afternoon with some gusts of 30 as well. But plan ahead over the next week. Look at Tuesday, 72. That's going to be a high point. Late Wednesday and into Thursday, we can expect a couple of showers to work their way on through, but temperatures staying right around that 60-degree range all in all. And staying very much on the dry side as well. So we're staying above the average for this time of year. We avoided the precipitation from the front, which, once again, that's a mixed basket. Yes, if it's nice that we didn't have to put up with that, but precipitation is always good this time of year. All right, I'm meteorologist Colin Raskovich with the Watertown Weather Watch forecast. Thank you much for joining me, and have a wonderful beginning of your week.